skin like you never even left.
Y'all know I love a good scrub. Now this scrub can be used on the face minus one of the ingredients, but it is also great for sagging skin on the body, the arms, the thighs, the buttocks. Let's try this out. Let's talk about it. It's coconut oil and coffee grounds. Y'all know I've been there with you before. If you've been around, if you've been part of the family that long. See, coffee contains caffeine, which makes your skin soft and firm by eliminating fat and moisturizing the skin. The ground coffee will gently exfoliate your skin, and the antioxidants in it will delay the aging process. Do this. Take a 1/4 cup of ground coffee and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix those up. Work with it. Y'all know it works. But if you want to take it up a notch, all you have to do is take that 1/4 cup of ground coffee, the 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, add about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar in there, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now, when you put in the cinnamon and the brown sugar, I then use that just for my body. Now for my face, I can put a little coffee ground in there. And when it's for the face with the coffee grounds, it could be brewed coffee. It doesn't matter. You can use the coffee grounds of brewed coffee. That way it's a little bit softer and a little bit more conducive to using it on the face, the coconut oil and the brown sugar. But any of those ingredients, try it. Mix them up. Start massaging that into your skin tonight. If you have everything, simple as this, just mix in the coffee, the coconut oil. If you got the cinnamon, if you got the brown sugar and you're going to put this on your body, do that. For the face, use the coffee and the coconut oil. Use this mixture to gently scrub your face and your body. Scrub for about 5 minutes in each area, then use lukewarm water to rinse it off. Do this once a week. Scrub for about 5 minutes. You don't have to spend that much time on your face, but for your body, work it in good from the arms, the waist down. Use this once a week. You don't have to scrub every day with this. No, you don't. Just simply use this once a week. 5 minutes, and then use lukewarm water and rinse it off in your shower. Make sure you run hot water down the drain after doing this. Make sure you put in there also Clorox, anything to help make sure you don't clog up your drains. I know that's a big concern of many folks, but fortunately, I've been fortunate. I can't say we never had a clogged drain, but my husband will definitely hit those drains at least every 2 weeks because he knows what your girl be up to.